Dailymotion is another video sharing platform that you can use to syndicate your content. There are over 300 million users in Dailymotion, and there are up to 3.5 billion monthly video views. Even though Dailymotion is not as popular as YouTube and Vimeo, it is still one of the biggest video sharing services available. Time for you to sign up, upload your video, and edit your profile using Dailymotion. At your profile page, click Edit Profile and start filling in all the basic details of your profile. You can edit your profile name and the description of your page to suit the niche of your content. Once you're done, just click Save to set up your profile. Moving on, let's upload your very first video to Dailymotion. But before you do, make sure your video fits the specification required for a video to be uploaded in Dailymotion. This set of rules differs from other video sharing platforms, so make sure you take note of this before uploading any video. Now, select the video from your file, and while it is uploading, you can complete all the mandatory fields below. Depending on the nature of your content, choose the appropriate category. For this example, we're going with lifestyle and how-to, and English is the main language of this video. Also, don't forget to tag it. If you notice on the right side of your screen, as you are filling in the info, the burger image will be filled up. So make sure to complete your burger image by filling in all the necessary details. Once you click Publish, you can view your video at the link here. As you can see, you've successfully uploaded your video to Dailymotion. That concludes uploading your video to Dailymotion.